The Leonardo AI Automation tool includes 3 files. First, Leonardo AI Automation.exe, the main software. Second, prompts.txt, where all your prompt lists are stored. And third, config.txt, which contains your license key. When you run the software, it will automatically open the Leonardo AI website. For the first time, you'll need to log in manually. But once you've logged in successfully, the software will handle auto-login for you, so you won't need to log in again. After logging in, you can adjust your image generation settings as you like. Then, simply start the software, and it will automatically take one prompt at a time from your list and generate images on Leonardo AI. This is how your software will continue to run. If you have a lot of files, the process might take some time, maybe 2 or even 3 hours, depending on your list. You'll need to purchase the $30 Leonardo AI plan. In this plan, you get access to relaxed generation mode, which means you can generate 30 to 50,000 images per month without any strict limits. The only real challenge is creating good prompts. The better your prompts are, the better your results will be. And that's the key to your Microstock success. So you have thousands of photos in your portfolio. But still, no sales? I will make a video on the topic. A picture can be sold countless times. I got $35 from one of my pictures. Alhamdulillah. If you have any questions, please ask.